Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds Lux Headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Horion Smart TV, the one that has LG WebOS. So the first thing is we need to put these headphones in a pairing mode, all right? We'll know it's in pairing mode when it's blinking like this, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? So let me just turn these off first. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Okay, it just said that it's off. Okay, now let me go ahead and turn these on and hopefully it goes into pairing mode. So I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds. It said JLab on, and I'm waiting for blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. I don't get blue, red, blue, red, blue, red because it's connected to a different device. It's connected to my iPhone, okay? So for me to put this in pairing mode, let me turn these off first. I'm going to turn it off. And then, I mean, there's a couple things I can do to put this in pairing mode, okay? Like I said, I'm connected to my iPhone, so I can turn the Bluetooth off of my iPhone or disconnect from the Bluetooth. And as soon as I do that on my iPhone, right away, those will start blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? However, I'm not going to disconnect or anything from my other phone. I'm just going to go right on here and put this in pairing mode. So it's currently off. This time I'm going to hold that power button and continue to hold until it blinks blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, all right? Power button here, ready, go. Press and hold. It said JLab's on, keep holding. It said ready to pair and it's blinking blue, red, blue, red. So now it is in pairing mode. So now we got to hurry up, go to the Bluetooth settings on the TV. So go to the settings, click on your home button, go to the home page, and you can navigate to the settings, the gear icon there. Or on your remote, you most likely have a settings button right there, that gear icon. Let's go ahead and select on that. Now on the left pane here, what we want to do is we're going to go down, down again to sound out. Okay, so press on enter, that little round circle on your remote. Now we're going to look for Bluetooth. Okay, sound out, headphone, no, that's not out. Let me go to the right. TV speaker, sound out, no, let's turn to the right. Hey, there we go, sound out Bluetooth device. So now we have to go down to device list right there, select OK on the remote. And the headphones are still in the pairing mode, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. And now you can see that little circle thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode that's near me, okay? And it already found the JLab JBuds Lux right there. So all you gotta do is just go down, highlight it, okay on the remote. It says connecting, and it said connected, and it said connected here as well. So we're connected, ready to go. You can use the volume rockers now, as you can see. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.